Welcome back, and we're continuing the news. If your home was damaged by Hurricane Melissa and you got a 6-month break from paying your NHT mortgage, you're expected to resume making payments starting May 1. However, some persons may qualify for an extended moratorium with the National Housing Trust (NHT). Several homes were battered by Hurricane Melissa in October 2025. Those living in 7 parishes, Westmoreland, Hanover, St. James, Trelawney, St. Anne, St. Elizabeth and Manchester were severely impacted. And so NHT mortgages in those parishes automatically got a 6-month moratorium, meaning they did not have to pay their NHT mortgage from November 1, 2025 to April 30, 2026. No interest was accumulated.
Over 30,000 of our mortgages benefited, and the NHT would have deferred about $4.5 billion just to provide some relief, financial relief to those mortgages during the period.
NHT's General Manager for Loan Management, Dr. Susan Winter, explained what's expected come May 1.
So, come May 1, our mortgages are required to resume their normal monthly payment. Importantly, I want our mortgagors to know that when they resume payments May 1, the monthly payment may be a little bit more. So the reason for the payments perhaps increasing is because the principal and life and peril insurance payments that were unpaid will now have to be considered and will have to be added to your monthly payments and your loan recalculated over the remaining life of the loan.
Those NHT mortgages should therefore sort out their payment methods, for example, through salary deduction or making payments online. Notwithstanding this, the NHT has also decided to extend the moratorium for select mortgages. Those living in NHT schemes in Brompton St. Elizabeth and Union Acres St. James will get an automatic extension. Others will have to apply.
So this extended moratorium initially is for 3 months. So we start May and will extend to the end of July. So we would love for them to submit their application by or before May 1 because we'd want for their account to remain in good standing. But there's a deadline of up to June 30th. The criteria is that your mortgage property would have remained uninhabitable since the passing of Hurricane Melissa, or it remains severely damaged.
All NHT mortgages having difficulties making payments should speak with a representative and take advantage of the Special Assistance Program.